This is how you can turn on the feature that lets messages transcribe your voice to create your text messages. Sometimes that's way easier than writing, especially when it's a long message, and the transcription is pretty good. So to activate this, just go into Messages and open any message thread, and there's a little grayed out microphone on the message bar. Tap on that, and then a moment later, there'll be a blue microphone that shows up there, and it's just going to start transcribing what I say. And let's say I don't like part of it, or I want to insert a sentence or something. I just wait till it finishes. Then I can tap somewhere else and just start speaking again, and then it will keep on transcribing my words. And when you want to finish the transcription, just tap on the blue microphone. And now it's not transcribing anymore. Now you can go in and edit the text if you want to. And then when you're ready, just tap on send. And Bob's your uncle. You just made a really long text message that would have taken 5-10 minutes to type out. But you used your voice and it transcribed your voice, and it was just way faster. I use this feature quite a bit. It even works in noisy environments because the iPhone's really good at localizing the sound from your voice. If it's too noisy, it won't work, but it still works out in public and in noisy places. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it. It's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.